ask a guy, what's your hobby handpan? You go, handpan? What's a handpan? And the guy goes, I'll be right back, leaves the room, comes back, the zipper's open in his black pouch, and there's a handpan. And a handpan is mystic, it sounds soothing, and it's different. And that's why Tony is here tonight, because he is different.